Hey guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, I just put my hand in painting. What the heck with it? So, what we're gonna do today, it's something that we never did before, like we try to do always, something different. We're gonna try and mix our acrylic with, of course, water to dilute it a bit, and with dish soap. So I think it's gonna be interesting because I saw this on YouTube from a couple of people who does this, and it seems to be something very different and that works great. So I don't know exactly how it's going to turn out, because from what I saw it's quite similar to other technique we did. But anyway, we'll see. The only way to see is to try. So let's go and try it. So guys, another one finished. Well, the least we can say is that it's very interesting. And the thing that happened just in a few minutes, just the time I went and plugged the camera and everything, it changed a lot, like I never saw before. The part, as you saw, which was more dark, is becoming more bright. And strangely enough, in some part, the black is coming over, and other part is the other way around. It's the green who's taking over the black. So that's strange. And at the start, when we just did it, as you saw the flip cup, the line were very defined. There were almost no cells, but now the cells are getting more and more cells are being created. So I think it's interesting, and the good thing about it, it smells good. So that's a good way to go about it. No, but seriously, I think it's nice. I think though, it resembles a lot what we did with the strain, with the pasta strain. You know what we did? I think it was the last video before that. I think the result is similar. But up to now, well, you see it dry, but I don't right now. So up to now, I think that the similarity are close enough that I don't think it would be worth it. We'll see. You see it as I don't, but I think it's very interesting. The only thing I would say, apart from the which is different than the one we did with the strainer, I think it's the line. The lines are more defined and they are more fine. They're very thin and very defined. It's crazy because you look at it and you could look with a magnifying glass, and wow, that was a tongue twister for me. It would look great. So guys, on that note, I think it's another good thing to try. I think at least one thing is for sure, you should try it, that's for sure. So guys, on that note, hope you try it like always, hope you liked it. And as always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share, it's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care guys. Ciao.